This video covers the general operation and maintenance for your new equipment. Every operator should watch this video before using the machine. Provided with your machine was an operator's manual. If you have not read this document, please pause this video and do so before continuing. This video provides information that is general and not tailored for your specific cleaning application. It does not take into consideration the health and safety risks specific to your application. Due to the many and various cleaning applications, the manufacturer, importer, distributor, or seller of this equipment is not responsible for its performance. So, let's get into it.
Hello, I'm Dave from Alpha Clean, and my goal today is to make your job as easy as possible. What I'd like to run through with you today is the Orbis Cordless Burnisher. That's a battery burnisher. This machine is very compact, as you can see, and a battery operated machine that can run for about 2 hours constantly, and obviously a burnisher for burnishing your floors. So this is what we call an inline machine. So it's not a swing machine, it's an inline. Therefore our wheels, as you'll see we've got 3 wheels, are always in contact with the ground. So this machine, as it spins, our pad will come down onto the floor and put pressure on the floor, but these 3 wheels will always touch the ground, so we just push it in an inline motion. Very easy to use, a lot easier than using a swing machine which works side to side. So to remove the pad, we've got to remove this clip. Now this clip, to take it off, we turn it clockwise. Then we can remove the pad. So most pads can be used both sides. There are some pads on the market that are only used on one side, but this can be removed, and as this is worn, we can then end-friend the pad. It gets fitted back onto the machine. Always make sure the pad is central, and then we then fit this clip. Once again, left-hand thread, so we're turning it anti-clockwise to put it on. You'll notice we've got a skirt on the machine. Over time this will wear, but this is to try, it sits on the actual floor. As this pad spins, it does create its own vacuum, and then we'll put any fine dust into the side filter. So this here is the filter, which can be easily removed. This here is what will collect any fine dust off your floor, will get captured into this container. Lid can be removed and then it can be emptied out. So being battery operated, our batteries are situated underneath this cover. There is no reason for you to go into there unless there is an issue. If needed, there is a screw here and some screws on the back, and the cover can be removed. The machine also has a built-in charger, so the charger is built into the machine. By lifting this lever, we've got our lead. Plug it into a 10 amp power point to charge the machine. And then we've got some indicator lights underneath here, which will tell you the charge cycle. So obviously when it's green, it'll be fully charged. So you get about the 2-hour run time, and then the charge cycle. Generally we'd charge it up overnight, but you're probably going to be talking about a 6-hour charge cycle. So we'll go through the general running of the machine. So to move this handle assembly is by using this right-hand lever. By lifting that, we can then put the handle in whatever position is comfortable. Probably want to have it around your waist height. So the left-hand lever here is an optional extra. It's for our water tank. So the machine doesn't come with a water tank as standard. However, this is an optional extra. Then we have the key switch. So there is a key with the machine. So when you turn your key on, it'll light up your battery indicator lights. So as you can see, all the lights will be on, and as the battery gets used, these lights will start to work their way down. So at all times you'll be able to see how you're travelling as far as battery runtime. To operate this machine, please note that if the handle is in its upright position, you will not be able to run the machine. So we need to have this down at a certain angle before it'll allow us to operate the machine. Then to operate the machine, we've got to use both hands, put our thumbs on the 2 levers to push them in, always recommend tilt the machine back a little bit and then pull your two handles in. Once the machine is running, you can release your thumbs from these buttons, and also you can remove one hand. So when the machine is running, you can operate the machine with one hand. Please note, when buffing a floor, we recommend never to let the machine sit in one spot for too long, because what this will happen is this will polish up one section of the floor and you'll get ring marks in your floor. So the minute you put your machine down, then you want to keep moving, and you just keep moving at an even pace along the floor. So as you can see, the Orbis cordless burnisher is a very easy machine to operate and maintain. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact Alpha Clean.